Yep, you did it again. You clicked on another video. Thank you so much. Well, I know you're ready to grow, so let's get started and let's go. Grow, eco neighbor. Grow, eco neighbor. Grow, eco neighbor. Grow, eco neighbor. Hey, good day, fam. Today I have in my background a Crape Myrtle that has gotten a little too big. So now is the perfect time. It's late September, getting ready to be October. Crape Myrtle's about finished, it's blooming. So now I'm gonna get ready to go and cut it because it's time to go ahead and prune it for this year. So let's go. I'm using some basic trimmers. This is 1.5 inch pruner, and all you want to do just snip right here. That Crape Myrtle's way too high, you need to cut it. Cut it. That Crape Myrtle's way too high, you need to cut it. And there it is. All I need to do is just do a little cleanup. This will give me all new growth next year. It'll keep the plant full because I want this plant to add a little bit of privacy. So this is all it is to it. Leave it here. Next spring, we'll start to see new growth. And then we'll get a more fuller plant. So that's all it is. You know, simple as snip, snip. Y'all be well, and don't forget, keep on growing.